this video I am going to show you how to delete undeletable files and folders in Windows 10, 8 or 7. I am going to delete this folder. I have get folder access denied. To solve that, please follow me. Go to your folder that is you want to delete. Right click, then go to properties. Then go to security bar. Click advanced. Then go to change. Enter your username into the field. Click check name. Click OK. Check the checkbox replace owner on subcontainers and object. Click apply. Click OK. Again OK. OK. Again go to the your folder. Right click. Go to properties. Go to the security tab. Click advanced. Click add. Then select principal. Click enter your username. Click check names. Click OK. Then check full control. Click OK. Then check replace all child object permission entries with the inheritable permission entries from this object. Then click apply. Click OK. Yes, OK. Click OK. Done. Now you can delete this folder. Right click. See, there is not security icon. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.